ABCO Automation, located near Greensboro, North Carolina, has been a leading manufacturer of bag-and-box fillers for over 2 decades. We offer solutions for a wide variety of industries, ranging from simple, semi-automatic bag-and-box fillers to complete packaging lines.
ABCO Automation builds impressive equipment, like this bag-and-box filler. Oh, or this one, a 4-head rotary version. They are used by all sorts of clients to package liquid consumables. It's easy to see how ABCO differentiates through extensive customization and exceptional design quality. Now, as much as I do like watching YouTube videos on the clock, this was actually for work. I'm researching my team's response to this RFP that was just released. ABCO is basically looking for a subcontractor to extend the automation capabilities for one of their boutique liquid soap clients. Basically, it's calling for a pick-and-place system to collect bags off the filler, box them into 12-unit packages, and convey them downstream. The scope of this RFP includes design, validation, fabrication, and delivery of a complete electromechanical integration. The biggest challenge here? Time. The RFP calls for proposals within 10 business days and final deliverables within 30 more. That's just 8 weeks. Our small engineering team can definitely handle this, and it's up to me to make sure that we can win and make a profit. My strategy is this. Number 1, meet all these requirements for throughput, accuracy, and reliability the first time and at lowest cost. Number 2, deliver an exceptional customer experience throughout the project. And 3, create opportunities for upsell and repeat business by developing a value-add relationship. With the proposal milestone coming up fast, I need to get the entire team connected to a plan. For that, I'm going to use SOLIDWORKS Manage and its project tools. Here, I've laid out the initial project into some basic stages. In each of these, I have allocated resources, I've broken down the work into detailed tasks, assigned them to team members, allocated some time budgets and priorities. I can keep track of our activities, deliverables, and progress from one shared schedule. It's simple for everyone to plan what they need to do first with the task board. And that's going to start with feasibility and concept. The users in Manage are connected together the same way as they are in PDM. Of course, PDM lets us all keep track of the design files, while Manage lets us all keep track of the design process. Jordan is one of our best mechanical engineers. He's fast, he's accurate, he always goes above and beyond and prides himself on his ability to find and reuse anything in our vault. JP is our Sparky, resident electrical engineer. He's a real artist when it comes to schematics and diagrams, and he isn't happy until everything is electrified. Mike is always up for a chance to apply his creative skills. He settles for nothing less than epic quality deliverables, maybe even going overboard, but his drive always seems to end up paying off. Andrew, he's equal parts design and analysis. He's passionate about testing, and his motto is fail early, fail often, but do it virtually. And I'm Brian, the project manager. I traded in my CAD skills long ago in favor of spreadsheets and, well, footing the bill at team dinners. My mission is to make this project a profitable success. Now, some might say that I agree too quickly and overpromise things, but hey, luckily, I have an amazing team and a powerful set of SOLIDWORKS tools to help me deliver. While this RFP and our team is fictional, we're SOLIDWORKS engineers, we hope you enjoy this playlist as we take on your jobs and show you how we would apply the SOLIDWORKS portfolio across a team to tackle this challenge.